At Grizzly, we're always developing new products to help you streamline your workflow, whether you're in the shop or in the field. And we've taken productivity to a whole new level with the G0901 portable sawmill. Check this thing out. So let's go ahead and fire up the G0901 portable sawmill. And right now we have a log that's 19 inches in diameter, and this thing has a max capacity of 28 inches. Let's fire it up. So now you've seen what the G0901 can do, let's take it into the shop and show you some of the details. Whether you're looking to jumpstart a business, mill up the trees on your homestead, or have the ultimate ready-to-go portable mill for your projects, look no further than the Grizzly G0901 portable sawmill. Seriously, this beast is designed to go where you go. With a rock-solid steel track system with adjustable feet, it's capable of leveling to most surfaces. So go where the work takes you, and don't be limited by size either, with the handy 6-foot bed extensions. These extensions easily clamp and level with the rest of the bed, allowing for a smooth travel of the bandsaw carriage. Speaking of carriage, let's take a look at the business end of the G0901. The power plant for this saw is a 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton gas motor with a hand throttle for easy blade speed control during the cut. The blade is 144 inch by 1 inch and is easy to tension and track on the heavy-duty cast iron 19-inch wheels. The G0901 features a 28-inch maximum log diameter with a 22-inch maximum width of cut. And when it comes to the depth of cut or material thickness, you can quickly and easily hand crank the locking height assembly for rips up to 6 inches thick. This handy crank system allows for smooth vertical carriage adjustments in 1/16 inch increments, keeping the carriage even across the width thanks to the inline chain and pulley system. As for the cut itself, the entire carriage travels smoothly on 4 ball-bearing steel wheels, much like a train on a track. So as you throttle up the saw and it begins the cut, simply use the push bar to guide the carriage along the tracks. Built into the track is a manually adjusted workpiece clamp. And the G0901 also includes swing-away adjustable side supports that can be mounted where needed to the cross members. Oh, and one other great feature when you're on a job site is the built-in lubrication system to help keep the blade cool during the cut, helping to extend the life of your blades and reduce stress on the machine during operation. Visit Grizzly.com and search Portable Sawmill to see all the details and to order yours today.